Most founders think AI is a chatbot. That is not enterprise AI. Enterprise AI is middleware. It sits between your people and your systems. It connects data, it enforces rules, it provides answers with proof. That is what agentic middleware does. Let me explain simply. Your company has many systems: ERP, SQL databases, PDF manuals, email threads, spreadsheets. Most of this knowledge is trapped. Employees waste hours searching, they guess, they ask senior staff, they make mistakes. Agentic middleware changes this. It listens to intent, it retrieves from the right sources, it verifies answers, it logs everything, it respects access control. It does not hallucinate. This is Agentic RAG at scale. It is not about replacing humans, it is about giving humans guardrails. For founders, this creates a moat, because your AI is not generic. It is trained on your private loop. For CTOs, this creates reliability, because the system is explainable and secure. For CIOs, this creates governance, because every decision is auditable. This is why the wrapper era is dying. A wrapper is fragile. Middleware is defensible. Middleware becomes infrastructure. Infrastructure becomes valuation. If you are building AI in 2026, ask yourself, are you building a feature or are you building an enterprise-grade intelligence layer? Everything we build starts under strict NDA and privacy-first delivery. CTOs, subscribe to this channel. Visit www.consultwithkrishna.com.